There's a wilder side of Greece no one tells you about. No cruise ships, no glossy resorts, just raw cliffs, olive groves, and the quiet rhythm of old stone villages. This is the Mani Peninsula. Our journey begins at a place where history and nature entwine, a village that feels suspended in time. Cardami is one of Mani's most charming villages, a postcard-perfect mix of stone architecture, olive trees, and deep blue sea. It's peaceful, elegant, and ideal for travelers wanting to slow down and soak in the real Greece. Right in town, a small beach with clear water and a mountain backdrop invites you for a quiet dip. Up the hill, old Cardami reveals stone towers, mansions, and the historic Mortzinos castle, a glimpse into Mani's rich past. Cardami streets whisper tales of ancient legends and a resilient community that has preserved its traditions through centuries of change. Here, nature and history intertwine seamlessly, crafting a landscape that feels both timeless and vibrantly alive. To visit Cardami is to step into a living story, where every stone, every olive tree carries the enduring spirit of Greece's past and present. Just south of Cardami, Stoopa is a lively seaside village with golden beaches, turquoise waters, and a relaxed rhythm that invites you to slow down. Its main beach is one of the finest in the region. Soft sand, shallow, clear water, and views stretching toward the Tagatos Mountains. Seafront tavernas line the coast, perfect for long lunches just steps from the water. You'll find hidden spots for a morning swim and coastal paths ideal for gentle evening walks. Stoopa's streets are compact and easy to explore, with everything you need within walking distance, from traditional bakeries to friendly tavernas and small shops. It's a place where time slows down, shaped by sea swims, good food, and the warm rhythm of village life. Kitri is a quiet fishing village on the edge of the Mani Peninsula and one of its best-kept secrets. The small harbor is lined with colorful boats and a handful of waterfront tavernas that feel frozen in time. There's no beach bar, no loud music, just the sound of the sea and the clinking of plates. The water here is calm, clear, and perfect for an easy swim before lunch. It's a place to slow down, breathe deeply, and enjoy the kind of simplicity that's hard to find. Even a short visit feels like you've uncovered something truly local. If you're after peace, views, and authentic Greek charm, this is it. Fonius Beach is one of Mani's hidden gems, wild, dramatic, and unforgettable. Surrounded by cliffs and pine trees, the beach has a raw, untouched beauty. Instead of sand, it's all white pebbles, with deep turquoise water that turns crystal clear near the shore. A massive rock splits the bay in two, perfect for diving, climbing, or just watching the waves break around it. There's no big development here. Just a small cantina in summer, a few umbrellas, and nature doing most of the work. It's a place where you come to unplug, swim, snorkel, sunbathe, then sit in the shade and forget about time. For many, Fonius isn't just a beach stop. It's a memory that lingers long after the trip is over. Just a short drive south lies Lemoni, a tiny village with stunning turquoise water and stone-built charm. It was once the port of the powerful Mavromichalis family, but today it's a place to pause and take in pure Mani elegance. There's no beach, but you can jump straight into the sea from the rocks. The waterfront taverna sits so close to the water you could dine with your feet in. Even a quick stop here feels like flipping into a live Mani postcard. Beneath these rugged cliffs, hidden under the stone spine of Mani, lies a secret world. Diros Cave, stretching over 15 kilometers underground, was discovered by chance in the 1950s by local fishermen. What they found wasn't just a cave, but an entire underground river carved slowly over millennia. Today, visitors float through its flooded chambers in near silence, just the drip of water and soft echoes. Some of the formations are thousands of years old, shaped drop by drop in absolute stillness. The cave system was once used as a prehistoric shelter. Archaeologists found tools, pottery, and even ancient human remains. Today, it's one of the most unique cave experiences in Europe, and still relatively uncrowded. Make sure to bring a jacket. Even in July, it's cool inside. Just a short drive from the Diros Caves, you'll find one of the Mani Peninsula's most historic towns, Aropoly. Its name means City of Ares, the ancient god of war. In 1821, this small town made history when the Maniots raised their war flag here, helping spark the Greek Revolution against Ottoman rule. Today, Aropoly is a mix of stone towers, quiet squares, and cobbled alleys lined with tavernas and shops. Aropoly isn't large, but it stays with you, a town that speaks through its stones, not its size. You don't just visit Mani, you feel it. And if you crave something different, something real, this might just be your place. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure.